Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an DR Tiwari IAS Chief Electoral Officer CEO ka jila Meghalaya ula pelong ye ka jingelang ba kinong tho khubor ban batai shapang ki jingpin kre ba ki jing traikam jong ke Election Commission of India ECI khamtam ye ka jingpin kre ban zdang no ye ka Special Intensive Revision SIR jong ki electoral roll ha ka jila U Dr. Tiwari ula pentip baka ECI kala de banne ya ka jingpen kala thamai SIR ha ka jilla Bihar bat menta kadang don ka jingpen kre ban penya ya ka habaro ki jilla jong kri ban pen kre ya ka ne ka jingtrei ka ECI kala pelong da ka conference jong ki Chief Electoral Officer na baro ki jilla ha ka shpautrik nailur arhajar arsan ha IIIDEM Dwarka New Delhi ban Bishar bat ai jingmut halor ki jingpen kre but ka preliminary mapping exercise. U CEO ula onggu baka electoral roll jong usnem arhajar san kala don haka PDF format haka website jong ka CEO Meghalaya https/erolls/erolls-gen-ser.html haga ba kinong tap vote kila ban wat ya la ka kerteng ling ba ka jingpenon kam ya ka search facility balabu haga ta ka page haga ba ya dei bat ka jingmam ya ki kinhun nong tap vote hapo ka SIR u Dr. Tiwari ula batairu ya ki kot bala ban penon kam kum ki documents ban pen shisha kum ki identity card bala penmi da ki tanat sarkar ki certificate puli ki kot kha ki kot sa shnong bat ki certificate kinhun Kadkum ka hukum jo ka Supreme Court kabala mi ha ka pratrek unailor arhajar arpsan ka Aadhaar card apan rungkum ka dokumen ka bakhat ar ban pensishai ka jinglong jong ulane ka nong thap vot. Henry usi u la penshai ba kane kala ban pendon kam tangkum ka proof of identity omkum ka proof of citizenship kadkum ka Aadhaar Act 2026. Ha ka ba day ba ka jingpen bet iki polling station U CEO ula ong bagi jaka tap vote ki badan palat shihajar arts pa angut kinong tap vote la bishar bnia biang ban penbha ya ka jingsuk ban poi shakata ka jaka ha Meghalaya la itu hadu arnyo polling station ki bla hap hapo ka jingpen ben rationalization kat ba sab khundai polling station thamai la menjur da ka ECI ban ai jingbit shaki jaka bajungai bat bakham e ban poi hadian kane khat ar polling station la lumlang merge katkum ka jing bishar thamai hadin baro kini ki jing penkala ka jing don jogi polling station haga jilla kalong lai hajan rus pa khasan tli ka bamut ka don ka jingkiu dan rup south li na ka barim u Dr. Tiwari ula pentip ru bakas ECI kala menjur live sangut ki assistant electoral registration officers AEROS kaba kentup ru ya sangut ki balongkum ki replacement ba dagane ka jilla ka dan mentah do shispa atnringut ki AERO habaro ki hindrup hoteli ki constituency jong ka jilla u CEO la penkut da ka baong baka election department kalong ka bakloi ba dia teli ban pentrai kam da karukam ka bakhuj kentup lang bat trai kam bha ban pelongi ka jing pen kala thamai jong ki electoral roll bar ki election ban wan ha ka jinglong ka bashai bar ka prakhat bha
will be notified, which is yet to come. So once the commission will notify this SIR schedule, then the procedure will be all the existing voters in the voter list, it is 23 lakh 6,384. So there, yeah, it may, so all their enumeration forms, their detailed information in the voter list in the enumeration form, it will be printed, and then BLO will have the two copies. So one copy will be given to the voter and one copy of the receiving will be kept with the BLO. So other information, declaration and other thing will be signed by them, then after that in due course they will collect. So that is the enumeration form. And then in respect to form 6, 7, 8, then module will be there, so accordingly it will be filled. And there are the different category of the voters who are already in the 2005 voter list based on the SIR. So extract will also be there. So extract they may take it, they may print also, and this will be considered as a base document to produce suppose that A, B, C, D, these four category we already discussed, and like electors whose name are registered in the 2005 voter list, suppose that. So those electors required only to upload, submit the relevant parts extract in the voter list, in the 2005 voter list along with the enumeration form. That will be sufficient for them, whose name are already there in 2005. So whose name were not in the 2005 voter list and who were born in India before 1st July 1987. So those electors are required to upload, submit the self document and along with the enumeration form. Then other category is the who were born in between 1st July 1987 to 2nd December 2004 and their mother's or father's name is not registered in 2005 voter list. Those category people, they are required to upload the two documents, their own self document out of those listed documents, and then a document of either their mother or their father. It may be the extract also.
That is 20 years.
Maybe WhatsApp.
That 2005 that voter list extract is there, ne? Mother or father document. So who were born after 2nd December 2004 means who become eligible to be voter by 1/1/2022 around. So in their case, and then whose mothers and fathers, both parent name it not registered in the 2005 voter list. They were not voter in that voter list. So those electors are required to upload, submit the three documents. One for the, along with the enumeration form, one for them, one for mother and one for. So this is a general procedure. So that voter list for them and for their mother, father, it is the best. So BLO will go door to door, they will give the enumeration form, they will get it filled, they will collect it, and enumeration form may be submitted online also.
So 20 years now, 2005.
The voter size for any polling station, the ceiling will be reduced from 1500 to 1200 now. Earlier, the 1500 voters were the maybe in one polling station, that was the limit, but limit has reduced to the 1200 voters maximum for any polling station. So accordingly, this exercise has been conducted on the ground in consultation, in due procedure in consultation with the political parties or stakeholders, by the EROs and district authorities. So, and we found there are the 27 cases in the 27 cases where the polling station has more than 1200 voters. So the new polling station has been worked out, and accordingly proposal has been sent to Honorable Commission and they have approved for these 27 new cases. And then 49 new polling station has been also approved where the polling this electors number was nearby, just very close to 1200. So suppose that after some time if the 5-10% been included, then it will exceed 1200. So we have taken into consideration and those polling stations are also being proposed, and then 49 all such polling station, and not only that, then hilly terrain, geographical topography, inaccessibility, motorable distance, and in the convenience of the electors where the less than 1200, but due to these regions 49 more polling station has been proposed. So those also been accepted, and there are the male female polling station in one, but less than 1200 including both. So gender wide division it is not been encouraged. So the 12 polling station in the East Khasi Hill district has been merged, where the polling station was the male and female. So after that, then net increase is the 64 polling station. So as of now, there are 3,615 polling stations in the state. And while during the Lok Sabha in 2024, there were the 3,551 polling stations. So 64 new polling stations has already been created new polling stations. So district-wise breakup is also been given. Polling station in West Jaintia Hill, 4 in Ribhoi, 21 new polling station, but in the East Khasi Hill, but 12 merged. So total increase is 9. And then in West Khasi Hill 2, East Garo Hill 1, West Garo Hill 23, South Garo Hill 2, West East Jaintia Hill 1, South West Khasi Hill 5, North Garo Hill 9, and Southwest Garo Hill 1 polling station, new polling station has been created, while no new polling station in Eastern West Khasi Hill. So this is one information we would like to request media at least to update. And moreover, we have increased the number of the AEROs also with the approval of the Honorable Commission, and the number has been, now there are total 126 AERO by designation in the state who are helping the EROs in the smooth conduct of the ER exercise. So share with the media representative in respect to preparatory part of the forthcoming special intensive revision, when it will be notified and schedule will be provided by the Honorable Election Commission of India. So preparatory part is ongoing, and as well as the in respect to new polling station after rationalization, and then information of the present status of it. Thank you, sir. In the state of Meghalaya, and whatever to update the media person in respect to the rationalization of polling station especially, and the procedural part in respect to the further development. And today we have the political meeting with the representative of honorable political party also. So today we would like to brief, and as well as in special intensive revision. So we would like to give an overview in respect to the procedural part of the SIR, and there are the different category of the people. So, as our earlier SIR in the state of Meghalaya held with a qualifying date 1/1/2005. So the voter list of the 2005 has already been uploaded in our website, and it is already available on our website. So anybody, it is open for the public. So they would like to search also his or her name, their parents' name on the voter list. The search engine option is also there. Then the QR code is also been provided that will help to scan the QR code and then access the search options. So there are the 4 category of the electors to be mapped as per SIR once the process will start. So there are the electors whose names are registered already in the 2005 voter list. So those electors are required to upload and submit only the relevant part of the extract of 2005 voter list along with the enumeration form. So I would like to just give a detailed overview as we are taking and a comparative comparison of the present voter list with the previous special intensive revisions voter list held in the 2005. So as per that voter list electoral roll of the 2005, there were the total 13,35,816 voters were there, and at present in the September 2025 we have 23,06,384 voters, and male female also that time 6,64,306 male voters. Presently we have 11,37,316 male voters, and then in 2005 6,71,510 female voters, and presently 11,69,062 female voters. Presently we have 6 third gender voters, while there in 2005 no third gender voter were present in the voter list, sir. So this SIR, after the SIR 2005, that voter list is the base document we are taking. So while the election machineries will go to conduct the SIR exercise, so there will be, and one more thing we would like to just clarify, there are the regular special summary revision which is conducted annually each and every year. And what is the difference between SSR and SIR? The main difference is, in SSR, the whoever apply in the form 6, 7, 8 in those category in respect to inclusion, deletion of the name or correction respectively through these form comes, so their verification only happens through the BLOs on the ground, and the EROs are supposed to take the necessary action to necessary decision on the matter. Once the SIR is done, then not only the new but entire all the voters in respect to the 23,06,384 voters as of now. So all the enumeration forms will be printed. It will be given by the BLOs to them, and then verification of all voters will be done who are the existing one also, and it will not be limited to the new voters. So that is the main difference between SIR and SSR. So 2000 previous SIR happened in the 2005. So based on that one, there are the 4 categories. Normally the people, what kind of document they have to furnish. So as category A, I already told, voter whose names are registered in 2005 voter list, those electors are required to submit only the relevant part of the extract of 2005, and that is already available in the public domain. So along with the enumeration forms, so the printing option will be given once the SIR schedule will be given, but they can search and see their names. So the category B will be the electors whose name are not found in the 2005 voter list, but who were born in India before 1st July 1987. So these electors, category B, are required to submit only self-document along with the enumeration form. Then C category of those voters who were born in between 1st July 1987 and 2nd December 2004, and whose mother or father's name is not registered in 2005 voter list. Only one parent name is missing. So such electors are required to submit the following 2 documents along with the enumeration form. First is the self document, and second is the document of either mother or father. And then other category electors who were born after 2nd December 2004 and whose mother and father's name are not registered in the 2005 voter list. So such electors are required to submit the 3 documents along with the enumeration form. One is for their self document, second is their mother document, and then father document. So overall, if the names of mother and father of category C and category D voters are registered in the 2005 voter list, then other identification document for parent is not required from them. Such electors are required to submit only their self document along with the copy of the relevant extract of 2005 voter list and the enumeration form. So these are the mandate as per the general preparatory work. So we did, and we do the matching of the 2005 and then 2025 voter list. So in respect to whoever there, so with the current electoral roll we matched, and after that who were born before 1787 and whose number are matched. So total, if we see in the state, so out of who were born before 1987 and their name is there in the electoral list, These number in the state are 10,59,510. So we are doing the matching physically also on the ground. This exercise is still ongoing, not yet completed, but till time we found at least around 64% voters name is being matched in that voter list. So it will help these voters at least, so additional document they are need not to, they don't require in that way. So their extract and the self document and whatever mandatory part, it will be sufficient. So there are the 11 documents for the identification as prescribed. It is extracted, but you just focus on the Bihar extract. But these 11 documents are the general card, then issued from the regular employee pension process will start. So Aadhaar card is to be accepted and utilized as a proof of identity and not as a proof of citizenship in term of section 9 of the Aadhaar Act. And section 23 part subpart 4 of the RP Act 1950, the Aadhaar card is already one of the documents enumerated for the purpose of establishing the identity of a person. So this will be the additional document. So